Almighty God, Alpha and Omega, Helios and Vesta, God and Goddess Meru, charge now this bread and this wine with thy holy essence. Through the Sacred Heart of Jesus Christ, I call forth the flames of Alpha and Omega, the kindling fire and the transfer of light. Take, eat, this is my body which is broken for you. Drink this, my cup of the new covenant. Drink ye all of it. Indeed, O God, we infill with light. We receive thy sacred fire breath. Let us be purged this day, quickened, renewed, and recreated by thy love, by the love of Jesus, Maitreya Gautama Sanat Kumara. O God and Goddess Meru, in this substance transmit to us all of our calling in this life to go forth with the greatest wares of all, the wares of the kingdom, even the riches of God's wisdom, that we might impart as mother birds, morsel by morsel, mouth to mouth, to resuscitate these souls, these little ones, in the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Therefore we receive thee now, O God, receive us also. Drink me while I am drinking thee.